Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. Also, real quick shameless plug, look at my earrings. Aren't these gorgeous? These are lascano.co. I made these myself and they're available on my site lascano.co. check them out, they're so beautiful. There's only a few pairs left, so grab them before summer's over. Perfect mermaid core vibes. So I kind of dressed in like a homey silky little pajama set and gave you mermaid core vibes because today, I mean, look at the background, mermaid core. Today I have a HomeGoods haul. I just got home from HomeGoods. I went a little crazy, okay, but they had so many good things. My HomeGoods has so many good things, and they had so many mermaid core stuff, things I can't speak, and I had to, okay, because summer's gonna be over soon. It's gonna be fall time and I want to bask in it. I want to bask in the mermaid vibes. So I went a little crazy and I can't wait to unbox or unwrap everything with you. I am just doing a million things, okay? I just did an unboxing earlier, so now I'm thinking about unboxing. Anyway, shameless plug real quick. If you could like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Show me some love. It's free and it really helps my channel, helps my content, means a lot to me. I know that these are tough times. Not everybody can afford to buy lascano.co. Not everybody can afford to click on my links and buy what I'm showing you, but a free way to support me, since I make all this free content for you guys, is to just like, comment, share, anything like that is just so helpful, and it really means a lot, especially now when the, you know, it's saturated and there's so many influencers out here, and I'm holding on for dear life to my spot, and I work really hard, and I really appreciate just a comment, and I'm not too proud to beg, okay? So if you love my content, a little comment, a little share, a little like goes a long way. All right, let's get into it. I'll stop yammering. Okay, let's start. I have one big furniture item and I will show you guys that last, so stay tuned. It's super cute. You're gonna love it, so just hold on, stay with me to the end of the video, and I'll show you that at the end. And if you make it to the end, there's gonna be an emoji that I want you to leave in the comments. Okay, first I picked up this really beautiful pillow. I just loved kind of like that potato sack material of the pillow with the little raw edges here. I also love the colors because you have like that nude with that green color, and I have green as my theme on my pillows. So I have these like beige and green pillowcases here, and then I also have my green velvet, like olive green pillows. So I thought this would be really pretty to add some interest, a little bit more pattern, a little bit more print. It's super cozy too. That was the other thing that I loved about this. It's a very malleable, cozy pillow, as you can see, like super squishy, super comfortable, great to take a nap. So had to grab this one, and it was super cheap too. This was on clearance for $19, and this is made in India. And I just love mixing prints and patterns. I think it just adds a lot of interest and a lot of something to give you, you know, to give interest to the environment, give it a little bit more texture. I love that. So normally I wouldn't pick up plastic. These are like for outdoors, but I thought these were so cute, since I wanted to do mermaid aesthetic, and I might do like a mermaid summer tablescape video as well, to give you guys some ideas for like mermaid vibe kind of stuff. If you're interested in that, let me know in the comments, because I haven't done like a home decor video in a while and I miss it. So I would love to do like a mermaid tablescape with the things that I got. So I got these plastic wine glasses, and the bottom is a mermaid. How pretty is that? You see her tail is on the bottom here. And I love this beautiful see-through teal blue green color. So pretty. These were $4.99 a piece, which is not bad. They're plastic, so you don't have to worry about them breaking. I could take them to the beach to do like a summer picnic, which I really like that idea. And also I think they look pretty from far. You can't really tell that they're plastic until you get close. So on display, these are going to be really nice, and I think also they're going to store really well, so I don't have to worry about next summer they're going to be broken. Like, these should not break, and I can use them for summers to come. I can travel with them, so I thought, why not? And they also had a different shaped one, and the mermaid was purple. So if you're more of a purple girly, they did have other options, but I love the pair together. I just think it looks so cute. Mermaid. This is a random little thing, but I picked up this arm cuff at TJ Maxx before I went to HomeGoods, so I thought I'd show you guys. This was $16 with tax. Look how pretty it is, and it is adjustable, so you can like kind of make it bigger to fit your arm. So I'm kind of gonna mess with it until I get it to fit how I want. but I thought it was a really cool piece. And you can wear it kind of like smaller as like a bracelet, or you can stretch it out and wear it as an arm cuff. I really like the arm cuff look. I think they're so cute, and I really like this one. I thought it was simple and pretty, and it gives me mermaid vibes. Okay, these aren't super mermaid-esque. These just are more so match my aesthetic. This piece I got from HomeGoods a couple months ago, and it's the same artist that did this and this, and I'm so hyped for these. They're gonna be so pretty because I've been looking for a piece that is this direction, horizontal rather than vertical, because everything else is vertical, and this one is so perfect. It matches so well. It's the same artist. This is the name of the artist. Super affordable, $16.99. I love the sketch look of the Roman statue. It matches this one so perfectly because it's like the same vibe. And I want to put this one, I think, above the TV, which I think will be so cute. And then to match it, this one is like a Parisian or Roman or Italian style kind of door frame. It gives like very old, vintage, just gorgeous architecture. Again, matches the same like sketched Roman vibes, and I just love the columns and everything. It's just gorgeous. I could not walk away from those because they're just pieces that are too good. You just can't walk away. I found a bunch of like mermaid beachy type of candles. This one was called warm driftwood, and this is the Neptune by DW Home Collection. It was on clearance for $6. It smells really good. Love the packaging. As you can see, it has the little what is this called, like the steering wheel for a boat, and it says Neptune. It smells really good too. It's a really soft, warm scent. Okay, I also grabbed some like mermaid-esque plates. They also had like the small salad size and the dinner size, but they only had one of the salad size, and I didn't want the dinner size, so I just got two of the bowls. And these were $3.99 each. I love how simple and pretty these are. These would be really nice for like a beachy themed tablescape for a wedding or a bridal shower. I love the starfish in there. It's just like the little hint of mermaid vibes, beachy vibes, without being so overt. I feel like this is really classy, and again, these are not porcelain or glass, so they will not break. Great for taking somewhere if you're going to do like an outdoor picnic or something. This I feel like is super cool, matches my vibe, also kind of mermaidy-ish, kind of gives like Ariel's grotto vibes. Like I feel like this is something Ariel would have. And they had different sizes of these. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I was showing you guys everything in my stories. I do like shop with me stories, so follow me on Instagram for that. They had different sizes. This is the little circle one, 4x4, $6.99. I love the hints of gold around the edges, and it just is so pretty. I thought this would be really cute on my gallery wall. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it, if I find a place for it or not, but I think this could be cute in the bathroom as well, so I'm gonna try to find a spot for it. I think it's so freaking pretty. I think this would be really cute too with a little bit of extra gold leaf or something. I might add some gold leaf to it and see how I feel, because I think it needs a little extra gold to elevate it and make it look a little bit more realistic. Okay, this is super mermaidy. I had to grab this. This is a candle. This was $12.99, which isn't bad at all, and I love candles like this because you can always reuse them. Once the candle is gone, you still have the container, but it could be really cute for just like a catch-all for the summer. And I love that there's a candle inside. It smells really good. I just think it's so pretty, so beachy, perfect for, again, a beachy tablescape moment. Super cute. I feel like it matches like what I'm wearing. It matches my earrings. Like this is like perfect thumbnail moment, right? Like mermaid glass. I love that for me. I'm gonna use that as a thumbnail. A couple of food items. I grabbed this Apiterra Italian sugar-free caramel syrup strawberry lemonade jelly. I always get these jellies when I go from Stonewall. I love to try the different flavors. I've never tried this one. I think this is new for summer, so I had to try it. I know some people don't like buying food from HomeGoods, but I do, and I never have a problem. I also grabbed the Secret Garden organic sleep blend herbal tea. This is a mix of peppermint, fennel, chamomile, and organic tulsi. Everything's organic. It's packed in Sri Lanka. So yeah, I'm really interested in trying this. I love peppermint tea, so I loved the mix of everything, and chamomile tea is known for relaxation. All right, I grabbed another mermaid-ish candle. This one is really cute because it has a little tassel on it. Like, how could you say no to that? It's perfect for the mermaid vibes. See the little seashells on the side here with the rope, and it's called Seaside Garden. It's sage with aquatic blossom, citrus, and hints of clement. I have no idea what that is. It smells so good. It kind of smells like MAC Turquoise perfume. If you've ever smelled that, that's what this smells like. I did get quite a few candles because they had a lot of summer candles, and I don't have any candles. I've been kind of like on a candle diet lately because candles are toxic and they're expensive. So I've been trying to cut down on the candle usage and just use like my pillar candles or like my candlesticks, and just use those only for just like the lighting. But I miss the scent of candles, so I'm like, okay, you can do a few candles and then that's it for another few months. Like, dip your toe. So I grabbed sea salt and citrus. This is a coconut and beeswax blend from Red Leaf Home. This is $7.99. Again, smells so good. It has like that bright citrus scent, which I love because it reminds me of Italy. If you find this one, get it. It's so yummy. This one also has the little tassel with the seashells. How pretty is that with the rope? I love, love, love the pretty pink packaging. This one was $10. This one's called Summer Wine, also from Coastline from DW Home. This one's red berry sparkle, citrus brilliance, and sweet grape undertones. This one is a little bit more like bathroomy. Like, it kind of smells like a 2000s bathroom. So I think I'm going to put this one in the bathroom because it definitely has like that wine, berry, Bath and Bodies kind of vibe. Okay, this is like super mermaidy and I don't need it, but I had to grab it. It's this ginormous like coral reef looking bowl, and it broke. I was struggling with my bags to get in the building and broke, and hopefully I can find the pieces. It's so pretty, very mermaidy. It reminds me of when I went to Turks and Caicos. There was this big coral reef like statue thing that they had in the hotel as like decor, and this really reminds me. I also grabbed this plate set. I got one and one of each just for me and my husband. These beautiful scalloped plates. Oh, like how mermaid perfect is this? It's just like super beachy, super cute. This one is like a clear silver champagne color. So pretty. The plate was $7.99 and this was $4.99. The small one was $4.99. So I just got one and one, but how pretty is that? Perfect little mermaid dinner moment. Okay, if you made it all this way, thank you so much. Leave a mermaid emoji in the comments to let me know that you're a ride or die and you've been here the whole time, because you ain't no quitter. You know how to show real love. Real love. I forget the last piece. Let me show you right now. It is the cutest little thing. So this is like a chair slash ottoman. So when I saw it, I immediately fell in love with it. I love the boucle on it because it is like a harder boucle. It's not as soft as some of the other ones. And I love the bright white kind of color with the fluted shape. I love the design of it where it's like an arch. I think it's so freaking cute. It's pretty sturdy and heavy. You can use it as a chair. You can use it as an ottoman. I got it more so to use as an ottoman, but you can use it as a chair for like a... I'm actually sitting on it and it's pretty sturdy. So if you're looking for like a little vanity chair that still is cute and like functional and artsy, this is a great option. It was $80, which isn't too cheap, but I've seen ones that are $200, $300, $400 that are very similar. So definitely look for less over here. That's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Stay glam. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Let me know in the comments if you like this video.